Dear Ford owner, we hope you're in good health. But what about your Ford vehicle? Remember, if your vehicle is not serviced regularly, then it may not be as healthy as it could be. Scheduled service intervals are outlined in your owner's manual. Over time, the serviceable parts in your vehicle can lose their efficiency. The air filter gets blocked, which increases fuel consumption and also affects the vehicle's performance. Engine oil turns thick, which affects engine lubrication. The air conditioning filter gets dirty and emits polluted air and odour. It also affects the performance of the AC. The vehicle may have trouble starting due to the battery terminal sulfating. Fuel consumption increases due to clogged oil and fuel filters, which also affects the vehicle's performance. The brakes may not respond as effectively as they should due to dust accumulation. These are some of the reasons why regular servicing of your Ford is important. Convenience, reliability, and no nasty surprises. That's what service should be. After all, nobody knows your Ford better than we do. So what are you waiting for? Get your Ford serviced today and help keep it in good health.